Algebraic expression, combination of variables and constants with arithmetic operations. For example, if we say there are 5 chocolates in a box, so there will be 10 chocolates in 2 boxes, 15 chocolates in 3 boxes, 25 chocolates in 5 boxes, and so on. Here we see a pattern being built up. The pattern is n into 5, where n is the number of boxes. So when we have to express this pattern, we use algebraic expressions. Variable, an alphabet representing a quantity which can take various numeric values. As the name suggests, its value keeps changing. It's not fixed. So from the word vary, we can say it is variable. Constant, a quantity which has a fixed numeric value. Expressions, terms are added or subtracted to make an expression. The terms, like x plus 4y, this is an expression, and x and 4y, these are two terms here. X and y are variables, whereas 4 is the coefficient of y. Coefficient means the numeric factor in the term. A term can be a constant like 5, 12, 20, etc., which has a fixed value. A variable or unknown like a, b, x, y, any new alphabet which is assigned to a value which is variable. A product of a constant and a variable like 2x, 3y square, 5ab, etc. So, a term can be expressed in any of these forms. For example, 6x plus 3ab minus 4z square minus 10. In this expression, 6x, 3ab, minus 4z square and minus 10. These are 4 terms. Now we see equations. Expressions having value equal to some other definite value is called equation. For example, 4a plus 10 equals to 70. This expression 4a plus 10 has been equated to 70. So it is an equation. Now we see terms which are like terms or unlike terms. Like terms, they have same variable or product of variables with same powers, like 5x and 3x, same variables, 4a cube and minus 2a cube, the variables with same powers, 2a square, y square, z cube and a square, y square, z cube, same powers of the variables. But unlike terms have different variable or product of variables with different powers. A and b, different variables, x square and y cube, or 2x square y and 3xy square, different powers of the variables. We add or subtract the direct terms only. We do not use unlike terms. They are kept as it is. Monomial, binomial or trinomial. Single term, 2a cube. This is monomial. Binomial has 2 terms, 2a cube minus b, where 2a cube is a term and b is another one. Trinomial, which has 3 terms, 2a cube minus b plus 4, where the 3 terms 2a cube minus b and 4. Now we see the degree of expression. In one variable, the highest value of exponent of the variable is taken. For example, 5x square plus 2x minus 4. Here the highest power of x is square, that is 2. So the degree of the expression is 2 here. More than one variable. In this case, the highest value of the sum of the exponents of the variables is taken. For example, a4b5 plus 2a to the power 5 minus 4a square b square. Here we check the powers. So we add up the powers. 4 plus 5, 9, 5 here and 2 plus 2, 4 here. So 9 is the highest power. So the degree of the expression is the highest sum of the exponents, that is 9 here. Method of assigning a numerical value to a variable and solving the expression is called evaluation. Evaluate a cube plus 10 when a is equal to 3. So what we do here is we take the value of 3 and put it in the place of a. So 3 cube plus 10 gives 27 plus 10, that is 37. Now we see how the statements can be converted to algebraic expressions. Twice a number added to 5 and divided by 6. So if we take the number to be x, the twice of the number x is equal to 2x, and then it is added to 5 and divided by 6. So first we add it to 5 and then we divide this whole by 6. So this is the algebraic expression of this statement. Divide a number by 6 and add 4. If we take the number to be x, now we have to divide it by 6 and then we add 4 to it. So this is the required expression. A number subtracted from 15. So if we take number as a, we need to subtract it from 15. So 15 minus a. This is the required algebraic expression. Tan subtracted from 5 times a number. If the number is y, then 5 times of y is 5, and 10 subtracted from this 5 times of this number. So 5 minus 10. This is the algebraic expression. Now we see this pattern. What we see here is 4 blue circles and 3 red circles. Here we see 4 and 4 again, blue circles and 3 the same red circles, 4, 4 and 4 blue circles and 3 red circles again. So what the pattern is being built here? 1 into 4 plus 3, 2 into 4 plus 3, 3 into 4 plus 3, and if we carry on, this is n into 4 plus 3, which is 4n plus 3. So the number which is variable is n and the constants are 3 and 4. So 4n plus 3 is an algebraic expression which has two terms, 4n and 3. n is the variable, 3 and 4 are constants, 4 is the coefficient of the term 4n. Now we take a few questions and try to solve these to clear our fundamentals. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. ABC minus AB minus B. Here we see two minus signs, so the terms here are 3. ABC, AB and B. So this has 3 terms, so it is a trinomial. Here a to the power 4, z to the power 4 and minus 5 pq to the power 3. So we see 3 terms here again. It is again a trinomial. Here we see a single term because we don't have any other term before this sign. So this is a monomial. Here we see a single expression with two terms, 4a minus b upon 2. This can be written as 4a upon 2 minus b upon 2. So we see there are 2 terms here. This is a binomial. We only consider the additions and the subtraction signs for the terms. We do not consider the division or multiplication for the terms. Now second question, add 2x and minus 3x. Now to solve this, we add 2x plus minus 3x. Here 2x minus 3x, which is equal to minus x. Add minus 2x and minus 3x. Minus 2x plus minus 3x, which gives minus 2x minus 3x. They both are of the same sign, so we add up both, we get minus 5x. Subtract minus 2a from 3a. So we have to subtract minus 2a from 3a, 3a minus minus 2a, which gives 3a minus and minus plus 2a, which is equal to 5a. Subtract minus 2a from minus 3a. So minus 3a minus minus 2a, which gives minus 3a and plus 2a. This minus and this minus plus 2a. So we get minus a. Another question. Simplify 2x minus 4y plus 4x plus 2y. So we just take the like terms together and solve this. This can be written as 2x plus 4x minus 4y plus 2y, which gives us 6x minus 2y. We do not operate the unlike terms. We just try to solve the like terms. 10x minus 7y minus 12x minus into the bracket minus 8y, which gives 10x minus 12x minus 7y, this minus and minus plus 8y. So we solve this and we get minus 2x and plus y. In this question here, minus 3x plus minus 5y plus x minus plus 4y. Minus 3x and plus x, we get minus 2x. Minus 5y and plus 4y, we get minus y. Now solving this equation, we keep on solving the brackets and then we proceed. 2x minus 3y plus 5x minus 3y, this minus and this minus plus 2x and minus 2. 2x minus 3y, 5x and 2x, 7x minus 3y minus 2. 2x minus 3y minus 3y, this y is cancelled, 7x minus 2 minus and minus plus 2 is equal to minus 5x plus 2, and we get the answer. What should be added to 3y square minus 4x minus 3x square minus 5 to obtain this? So we should remember what should be added 6 to get 10. What we do? We subtract 6 from 10 and we get 4 as the answer. Similarly, we will be doing here. What we need to obtain is this number. So we subtract this from this. So x square minus 2y plus 6, and we subtract this expression 3y square. We don't have a y square, so we write here 3y square minus 4x minus 3x square minus 5. We write the same terms or the like terms under them. And we have to subtract, so we change the signs. This plus, this minus. Start. So we get 4x square minus 2y plus 11 minus 3y square plus 4x. And now we write it in the descending order of the powers. 4x square plus 4x minus 3y square minus 2y plus 11. This is the answer. This should be added to this to get this. The sides of a rectangle are minus x cube plus 15z and 5xz plus 4x cube. Find its perimeter. We know that the perimeter of a rectangle can be expressed as 2 into length plus breadth. Here L is equal to minus x cube plus 15z and breadth is equal to 5xz plus 4x cube. So what we do, we add up both these and multiply it by 2 to get the required answer. So on adding minus x cube plus 15z and plus 4x cube, now we get 3x cube plus 15z plus 5xz. We just added the like terms and now we have to multiply this by 2. So we get 2 into 3 is 6x cube plus 30z plus 10xz. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. A boy cycles 3t hours each day from Monday to Friday. He cycles 5t plus 8a hours on Saturdays. He does not cycle on Sundays. Express the cycling hours in a week in terms of t and a. Now, for the week, we will do this 3t hours each day from Monday to Friday, that is for 5 days. So we multiply this 5 into 3t. We get 15t. And now for Saturday we add 15t plus 5t plus a, which is equal to 20t plus a for the week. Now how many hours does he cycle each week when t is equal to 4.5 and a is equal to 5.5? So now we substitute the values of t and a in this expression and we get the required answer. So 20 into t is 4.5 or 4 to the 8 plus 9 by 2 plus value of a is 5.5. So we get on solving this we get 90 plus 5.5 is equal to 95.5 hours. So he cycles for 95.5 hours for the week.